Hello, welcome! Jacqueline here again, and for today's video, we will talk about 5-1 talk. So, marami po akong natanggap na questions about paano po ako nakapasa sa TESOL certification. So, I can only advise or ano ba dapat? I can only makakapag-provide lang ako ng information for my co-5-1 talk colleagues kasi I'm a 5-1 talk ESL teacher. So, I took my TESOL certification with the help of our trainer. So, you need to book your training sa TESOL certification, di ba? May TESOL training sa book training, di ba? Under my page. And then, sa training na yan, within 1 hour, the trainer will help you out to answer the 30 questions ata. So, instead of choosing 4 questions or 3, instead of choosing 3 answers or 4 ata, I don't really remember. The trainer will just guide you for 2 options. So, sa 2 options na yun, it's really a big help kasi you can just at least answer the best answer. Hindi sasabihin mismo sa'yo ng trainer kung ano yung sagot mismo, but at least sa dalawang options na yun, it would be easy for us to answer the best answer. Hindi ko naman siya na perfect, but at least nag-pass more than the 50%. So, it's more. So, out of 30 ata, 19 ata yung nakuha ko. So, for the essay part naman, so there's an essay part. So, just copy the essay yung topic, 'di ba? And then ginamit ko ChatGPT. So ayun, wag din mag-rely. So before submitting it, read the ChatGPT provided information, and then if you want to revise or edit it, you can do so. So i-check ninyo. So, after submitting it, ayun, nakapasa naman ako. So, it worked for me. So, hopefully, it will work for you. But again, check it first before submitting it. So, ayun lang sa mga nagtatanong kasi sorry na marami po nagtanong at DM. It's just that I'm so busy. Minsan naman nakakapag-reply naman po tayo. Don't worry. Magtanong lang po kayo once na open ko po yung aking messages, mag-reply po ako. So, thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.